On in a major boost to India's air power and defence manufacturing capabilities, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will inaugurate Hindustan Aeronautic Limited's newly established third production line for its light combat aircraft, the Tejas Mark 1A variant, at its Nasik facility. Well, the Defence Minister will also inaugurate the second production line for the Hindustan Turbo Trainer 40 basic trainer aircraft. Besides the inauguration, the occasion would be marked by the maiden flight of the first LCA Tejas Mk1A, the upgraded version of the indigenous light combat aircraft Tejas. And for more, we have Akshay Dongre joining us from Nashik. Well, Akshay, how will the new Tejas Mk1A and HTT-40 production lines at HAL Nashik enhance India's capacity for the indigenous aircraft manufacturing and also support the Indian Air Force's modernization goals under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative?
Lipakshi, as far as the Tejas Mark 1A is concerned, it has several upgrades over the earlier LCA Tejas, that is the light combat aircraft Tejas, and that includes more advanced avionics, advanced engines, advanced radars and other equipment that are embedded with the fighter aircraft. While LCA Tejas is a very modern aircraft, the LCA Mark 1A Tejas is several notches upgrade over the LCA Tejas. That puts it directly in competition with some of the most advanced fighter aircrafts around the world. The second thing is about the boost to the Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India as far as defense sector is concerned. So earlier there were two facilities that could produce LCA Mark 1A Tejas that could produce 8 aircraft per year. So two facilities could produce about 16 aircraft per year, but with the inauguration of the third facility, now India can in fact manufacture 24 Tejas Mark 1A per year. That is going to be quite essential as far as filling the gaps in the squadron strength is concerned in the Indian Air Force. With the MiG-21 phased out, LCA Mark 1A Tejas is going to replace the legacy aircraft and will provide a major boost required to the capacity and the capabilities of the Indian Air Force. And besides that, the HTT-40 a basic trainer aircraft is also going to provide further capacity building measures to the training facilities of the Indian Air Force. So all in all, this is a major boost and a significant rise in the Indian Air Force's not only manufacturing capacities but also the capabilities of the Indian Air Force fighter squadrons. As far as the first flight of Tejas Mark 1A is concerned, that is going to take place today here in Nasik as well.
All right, Akshay, in fact, if you could explain it for our viewers more clearly, that what are the key technological advancements in the Tejas Mk1A variant being showcased during its maiden flight especially, and how do they strengthen India's defense capabilities also, because Tejas Mk1A production is also increasing from 16 to 24 aircraft annually on the Indian Air Force's modernization plans?
Well, this is going to be a major boost, Lipakshi, because the Tejas Mark 1A has better radars, has more weapon loading capacities, has better speed, a better range, better operational capabilities. So an aircraft that is already quite capable has been made much more capable by the upgradation that have taken place in the Tejas Mark 1A. So naturally, it is going to boost the capacities of the Indian Air Force.
All right. Thank you so much, Akshay, for all those details.